darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping, that is while I was sleeping, and the vision that was blooded in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked along narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of a street lamp. I charm my color to the cold and down, when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share. Now and there, these are the sound of silence. Fool said I, you don't know. Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you. Take my arms that I might reach you. But my words, like silence, raindrops fell, an echo in the wells of silence. And the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made, and the same facade is warning in the words that it was for me, and the signs of the words of the prophet